Caribbean jerk pork tenderloin. Our list of ingredients for this meal is... Alright, we're going to start this off with seasoning our pork tenderloin. Normally I make this with just the tenderloin, or just the loin, not tenderloin. So this is probably going to go a little bit quicker than I'm used to. And I'm going to really season this up. I want a nice coating over the whole thing. While I'm doing this, I got my water in the back for my noodles, pre-seasoned with salt. I've got my pot with green beans in it. Nothing is on yet. I'm not going to be turning that stuff on until after this gets in the oven. We're going to start this out in the skillet, then finish it off in the oven. As you see, I got it seasoned up quite well. And I'm going to throw some more salt on it since I lost track of where it was with the salt. And this is a case where I may have to add salt after it's been served, because I never know how it's going to actually end up. And it's real hard to get salt on here along with the spices after you fry it up in the skillet. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to bring in tenderloin over, lay it in. And the part could have been a little bit harder, so I'm going to give it a couple extra minutes on that, a couple extra seconds on this side. And I'm just searing this just to seal in all the juices. It's going to give a nice little color with it and a little bit more extra texture. And it's very possible, depending on how much seasoning I lose in the skillet, I may put more on before it goes in the oven. And we're just going to roll this over onto its side. Hold it here for a little bit. I do have that up on high. I want to try to get a nice quick sear on it. I'm going to go ahead and roll this over. Okay, that's kind of seared up enough. It is going to go into the oven here. Time-wise, I'm going to start out with about 15-20 minutes and check it. I'll probably check about 15 minutes to see where it's at, then go from there. I'm going to go ahead and season this up a little bit more. Go ahead and put it in the oven. And I'm just going to do the one side here. Well, I'll do all the way around. And we'll just toss in the oven here. We're going to start out with 15 minutes. And we'll go from there. We'll see you in 15. Okay, now I said I'd be back in about 15 minutes. It was a mistake. I forgot how to get this stuff here going. So I moved everything to the front. As you see, I got the green beans in the small one. I'm going to put a lid on it to help kick that heat up. I'm going to put it on about medium. I'm going to get this water started here for the noodles. And we're going to get that up kind of high. And we're going to go ahead and throw those in. Now, we're going to let this sit and run for a little bit. We're going to got the remainder of our 15 minutes. I'll come back in, do a reading on the temperature of the meat, and update you at that point. Okay, we're back at our 15-minute point. We're going to see what kind of temperature we have on it. We are looking for right around 145. And it looks like it's still climbing. So it looks like we'll be right around 120. We got a little bit more time to go. And we're going to go and check on the rest of this. All right, so the green beans are going. I can shut those off, keep the lid on it. Keep them nice and warm. Move that to the back. Give these a quick stir. And since we're getting close, I may go ahead and throw a lid on this while I'm gone. And give it another 10 minutes or so. All right, our 10 minutes is up. Let's check it out, see what we're at. And it feels like it's tightening up, so we might be hitting it here. And we're at 150, about 152. I'm going to take it out a little bit. Hotter temp than I wanted. But it'll still work. Should still be fine. I'm going to take that off, set this in the back. Let this sit for a couple minutes. Make sure everything gets locked in. The noodles, I believe, are done. It does feel like it. Green beans, do I have steam coming out? Still hot. Let me get this drained. And I'm going to throw 2 in instead of 3. My son just said he didn't want a lot of cheese. So it looks like I may be eating a piece of cheese by itself here. Let's get this mixed in. Okay, that was just over 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and start slicing this up. And I'm going to start from the thinner end first. I always cut it on an angle. And hopefully you can see that. There's a lot of juice in there. That may look a little better to you. So there's our meal. Let me get it plated. I'm gonna plate over here, get some noodles on it. Some of our green beans. And we'll grab 2 slices for now. There you go. That's our meal for today. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.